Holy shit. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're starting a new job today. A car actually ran into this wall and took out the whole corner of this house. You can see up here, just ripped the stucco right off. You see it take the whole electrical panel almost off. This whole thing is about to collapse. You can see the stucco broke. It's cracking all the way up there behind the electrical panel, all the way down to here. Start cutting sections, get some weight off of this. Take your wire cutters. Just pull this apart. Like this is still fairly solid, so I need to take the wire cutter and cut all the way along here, and that will dislodge this whole corner. So this thing is just about to come down. Most of the weight has been taken off it. You can see I took majority of the stucco off, so it's not going to be as dangerous now. It's still pretty heavy on this side. One wire is holding this whole thing up. Holy shit. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's exactly what I wanted. All right, guys, day 2. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add angle bracket here. We're gonna cut this back a little bit, put a 3/4 inch piece of plywood all the way down, new 4x4 post. Okay, I just coated all this with the spray copper green preservative, or copper brown. That's so strong. Okay. All right, folks. Next step is to install this post. So everything's been treated on the bottom with the preservative. New 4x4 post. Oh, perfect. It doesn't get any better than that. Okay, folks, take a look at this new 4x4 post. Now we got 3/4 inch plywood. Let's go ahead and put this in. See, we're gonna cover up the header, the king stud, and the trimmers in this new post. All right, that looks good. Okay, let's make sure this is flush down here. Okay, I just got the building paper in, and then I wrapped all the seams and corners. Here's the radius to match the other side. So I wrapped it in building paper, and then also put this seam tape. It's also good to cover the staple holes. So after you staple, put the tape over the staples. Everbuilt seam tape. All right, guys, lath is up. I added this edging here around the panel. You can see on the front, got the first coat of base coat. All right, folks, first layer of stucco is on. Looks good. Okay, last thing I want to do is roughen the surface. I'm going to take a wire brush and take some of that smooth texture off. That's going to allow the next layer, the second layer, to adhere really good. All right, day 2. The first coat is finished. So you can see it's very wavy. There's like dimples, high spots, low spots. It's like a Spanish style, 1920s. We're gonna add some of this acrylic fortifier to the La Habra stucco color coat. This is gonna add extra strength to your repair job. Okay, we're kind of just working our way up this corner, getting the corners all finished. I'm gonna start sponging this because I gotta get it looking like that over there, more of a sand finish. This is what we're gonna use, this green sponge. Let's take this over here. I'm being kind of rough with it because I want that style. Nothing too even. Some lumps and bumps to match the existing. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna keep working my way up. Time is of the essence. Look at that perfect stucco repair. That texture came out exactly like the old existing 1920s stucco. It's got a little waviness to it, you can see. A little unevenness. Once we paint this, you'll never be able to tell. So I like to finish the corners off in one mix as much as you can. Usually it looks better, and it's going to be a stronger connection. We'll have a seam right here, but that's not the end of the world. All right, guys, project is complete. Stucco is finished. You can see sealed all the way around this panel. This is gonna last forever. All right, guys, well, this project is completed. On to the next one. But another custom Ninja installation repair job. Looks incredible. Like nothing happened. So now it's just a matter of some paint